one-wheel tech deck.
That's cool. Okay, that's cool. I've recruited my children.
It's like a Hot Wheels skate park.
To help.
Yeah, and
that's
like connect on the tech deck.
But yeah,
okay. That's really cool. I need you kids to help me choose a present for cousin Henry. That is rad. Do you think he would like those?
Yeah, I already have one.
Yeah, I know you do. Do you think Henry would like it?
I mean, like, I don't know. But, like, I'm just showing you.
Okay, cool.
My birthday is, like, after Cody's.
Boston, this one is
The tech decks are seriously so cool. And the fact
And
that
they
you
make a
can
one-wheel one.
put your fingers in these little shoes and then use that as, like, the legs. It's just the cutest thing. I love it so
It's
much.
golden.
Nice.
Golden.
Get over here now.
Okay, hold on. Let me grab my cart. Everyone was really upset about me leaving my purse and my back to my purse the other day. Where'd you go?
Look, there's an old Nintendo console, the Back to the Future car, an electric.
Wait, are these Legos?
Yes,
Yeah.
these are all Legos.
Okay.
And then look, there's
Look
Thor's
at
hammer.
this stinking Vespa.
I know, that's what I
Oh
looked at.
my
Look, there's Thor's
gosh.
hammer.
Hold on, I'm still not. And look at the hat and the goggles. I need that for me.
You like Legos?
Okay.
There's an old school Nintendo. Or
Yeah,
I
that's-
don't know what that is, but look, there's
so-
the Back to the Future car.
Okay, that's really cool.
Mom, this is what.
Ooh, did you guys see the guitar?
Yeah, that's I said that one earlier.
That
Mom,
one's
Mom,
awesome.
Look at this. Look at this. Mom, I need that. I think Cash may have got it.
Really?
Yeah, no,
Mama.
That's cool.
Oh, wait, you got...
Okay.
You got that.
Hey, don't do that. Wait for me. I'm talking to the other kids too. Yes, that is so cool. Okay, well I know Henry likes Legos.
You do.
Yes.
I love the meat sweat. I love the wheat sweat. And talkies. We're talking to me and meat sweat.
What was I thinking? I knew better. I wrapped this, but I didn't show you the book we got her. And it's going to be chaotic when we open things, so I might not be able to show you the book. But trust me, it's a cute, funny book.
Well, what if Aunt Linda watches it?
She will watch this after her birthday party, so she'll already know. This is for Hen. This is for Henry. And Boston chose it. So, Henry, hopefully you like it. If not, blame Boston.
Okay, we're going off the jump, and I've done it too. Oh, jeez. Hey, Cody, film me. Hurry, because it's starting to rain.
So, we just got our bikes out today since it got to 60 degrees today. Spring's coming, so we're outside, but it's cloudy and rainy. It's starting to rain a little bit, so fuck with them. What was that noise?
It is the day of Aunt Linda's birthday party. The day that we've been talking about every day since the last get together. And I'm picking my boys up because they came down and played at Grandma and Grandpa Hoellein's house. My kids are happy, they're being watched, and they're making great memories with their grandparents. And so every time I come get the kids, or when they come home from playing with Grandma and Grandpa's, they are just elated. Who wouldn't be elated playing at the party house like this? I wish so bad that I could just like film the whole time, but you know, I think we're past the stage of going and putting cameras in everybody's faces, and to me, my attention on them is more important than capturing it. So even though sometimes the vlogs might feel a little more boring because it's not like real action and it's basically me narrating, my heart's more at peace that way. So that's what we get. If you guys have been around long enough, you know that there are checklists when it comes to parties or outings with Aunt Linda, and balloons is one of them. So we've got balloons for Aunt Linda, but today is also our cousin Henry's birthday. So we've got balloons for Aunt Linda because that was, you know, one of her requirements. And then we've got some balloons for Henry. Joel made it home just in time for me to switch vehicles, and let's go. I guess you're the one that's switching vehicles, not me. Anyway, let's go. I forgot the other checklist was lots of presents. I forgot.
Ready? Should I grab your car?
Hey, you're not even waiting for us. She's like, I know my way around here. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Come inside where it's warm.
Thanks, Cody. Hey, that's pretty close. Did she call you Toby?
Oh, I even got a kiss. I love you.
I don't think Millie's gonna go to her, Joel. She doesn't want to.
She doesn't want it.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Henry. Happy birthday to you. Look at me all alone in this house. All right, so we went to Pioneer Bridge, which is Chuckarama, to Aunt Linda. And I am so sorry that this is just gonna be narration, but that's just what it was. The music was too loud there. It was a little bit of chaos. And I don't know why. I mean, actually I do know exactly why. I just have a confirmation in my mind and in my heart and in my soul that the people around me need me to be present with them. And as I say that out loud, it like burns in my chest, so I know it's true. They need me to be present with them. They don't need me to be showing on camera. Even though our family is really good, they understand what we do, they need to know that I am really present for them. And not just putting a camera in their face. They know that I love them, and when I film, I still love them, but they need that connection. So I know I already said that, but I feel like I have to reiterate it because I hate just narrating sometimes in vlogs. But let me just tell you the highlights really fast because they are worth the narration. First of all, when we first got to dinner, there was an old man sitting next to us. He looked about 70. He told us, he goes, I'm 93 years old and I've been married to my wife for 63 years. He asked Joel what his name was and Joel said, I'm Joel Hoellein. And he said, ah, you're German. And he goes, yeah. And he said, my dad was a first-generation immigrant from Germany here. And then they made a connection of who they knew from Weber State. He was just a really nice man, and he was very complimentary of our family. And they said happy birthday to Aunt Linda. And then 2 other people came by and put their arm around Linda. They were older women, and they said happy birthday. And when they would ask her, how old are you? Aunt Linda kept telling everyone that she was 26, and me and Bo just kept looking at each other just like, okay. And then they would look at us and smile and say, how old is she? And I just loved that they just went right along with it. And I just love people. Tonight was very wholesome. Visiting with a whole bunch of strangers, and Linda brought us all together. She's what attracted everybody around us, her and all the little kids. Okay, and then, okay, this will never be as funny to you as it was to us in the moment. So, everyone brought a present, and it doesn't matter what you give Aunt Linda, she loves it. She's ecstatic about it. She screams, she loves it. Well, the first present she opened was from Julie. And Julie gave her some Nestle, like milk mix, strawberry milk mix. And Aunt Linda loved that, and she was, oh, you know, she liked it. She didn't scream or anything, but she liked it. And then Julie got her some like a little more healthy, like Z bars or something, you know, like a healthy granola bar or something that she could snack on, because we don't want to overload her with sugar. I totally get where Julie was coming from. Aunt Linda was stone-faced. She didn't change her face expression. In fact, she was scowling and she just looked at the box and put it down, didn't say a word. And then, who was it, Kate? Kate ran up and gave her a stuffed bunny and Aunt Linda screamed and, oh, I love it. She gave it a hug and she, oh, happy birthday to me, you know. And I just lost it. I wish so bad that we could have captured how funny it was, but there's just no way we could have ever captured it. So funny. And I'm trying to think of what else happened in the evening through the night. Basically, that was it. I asked Aunt Linda what, she said, Mark, and he was busy, so I said, what can I get you? And she went, she didn't want me to get her food. She wanted Mark to get her food. So she asked for a biscuit and 2 chicken legs. Mark came back with 1 chicken leg and she wanted 2. So he went back and got her 2 chicken legs, not 1. Anyway, happiest of happy birthdays to Aunt Linda, my 26-year-old, 73-year-old aunt. I always say that I am so grateful that my kids get an Aunt Linda. And just as a humongous bonus, you all get an Aunt Linda as well, just through the vlogs. I know I didn't film her a whole ton, but it's a little bit hard to sometimes. So I'll make sure to do better in the future, but you understand why. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, if you want to say happy birthday to Aunt Linda, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye, guys.